Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to buy Apecoin on Gate.io with very low fees. So this will be step-by-step tutorial. So watch the video until the end. Don't forget, click the like button. Don't forget subscribe. Let's reach for 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible. And one more important thing, remember that this is not financial advice and I'm not financial advisor. This video is just video tutorial how to buy Apecoin on Gate.io. First of all, you need to have account on Gate.io. If you don't have an account, you can just click the sign up link in the description and sign up on Gate.io. There are some bonuses for new users. Let's read. Welcome to Gate.io. New user registration, complete beginner tasks and claim $100 Gate.io points. Trade and claim 5,500 worth of USDTs, stable and reliable since 2013, top ranking, trustworthy and transparent. Gate.io provides more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies, digital trading assets. So after you will enter your personal information and after you will make account on Gate.io, then log into your account. Next thing we need to do is buy USDT, because to buy Apecoin we need to swap USDT to it. So now you need to go to buy crypto, choose one of these options. At the moment I will go to credit card, and in the right gap you should choose USDT. Here's the search bar, just type USDT, and in the left corner you should type the amount of money USD you are going to pay. The minimum amount is 30 USD. Here are service providers. Choose one of the service providers. At the moment Coinify has got 0 fees. Also my favorite one is Banksa because they have very low fees. So we can choose, for example, Banksa, and here you can read for 30 USD you will receive 28.28 USDT and the fees are only 60 cents. Just check this and go to purchase. If everything is correct, click create order and finalize the payment. After you will finalize the payment, you will have USDT on your Gate.io wallet. To check your wallet, you should find wallet in the top right corner and go to spot account. Here you will find out your USDT balance. Now we can buy Apecoin on Gate.io. We should go to trade, spot trading. Here you can see the search bar, just type Apecoin and choose the first Apecoin to USDT. Here in this gap you should enter the amount of USDT you are going to pay, and these are the amount of coins you will get for example 100 USDT. Then you should click buy, enter your fund pass and buy Apecoin on Gate.io. After you will buy Apecoin on Gate.io, then to check your wallet you should go to wallet and click spot account, and here you will find out your Apecoin balance. So that's all. It's very simple. I suggest you to continue using Gate.io, especially if you are a beginner in trading. This is the best platform for beginners. There are a lot of cryptocurrencies, there are a lot of things on Gate.io, and also don't forget about NFT Box. They have their own NFT marketplace. You can join this marketplace, you can sell or buy NFT. So I suggest you to make an account on Gate.io and start trading. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. If you have some questions, you can ask me in the comments. Don't forget, click the like button, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.